Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Team Trons channel, where we're going to be discussing the upgrade of Windows 11 from Windows 10. This is a Tech Team Tronics production. Thank you for joining me. Be sure to like the video on your way in. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and feel free to comment if you have something to say about the topic at hand. So let's get into it, ladies and gentlemen. At the beginning, it seemed that early adopters dealt with a few Microsoft Windows 11 issues. However, Microsoft has been addressing the shortcomings of Windows 11. While it's as yet not the ideal operating system, it's not yet even the operating system that Microsoft guaranteed us. Microsoft Windows 11 is in a better state than it ever has been. This makes one wonder, is now the ideal time to jump on the hype train and upgrade to Windows 11? The response relies upon what sort of PC you have and why you use it. And my response is, unless there's a specific use case for Windows 11, I hold off on upgrading. If everything is working in 10, you could future proof to Windows 11 for that benefit. Windows 11 is Microsoft's vision for the future of PC operating systems, and it's everyday, simpler, more streamlined, and safer spin on Windows 10. On the off chance that you don't meet the minimum hardware requirements or you have turned your PC to excel at one specific application, say gaming or video editing, you might want to steer clear of this for some time longer. Now, assuming that your PC meets the requirements for Windows 11 system, then you don't mind the occasional software and hardware compatibility issues that go with another working operating system. This moment is a decent opportunity to upgrade for sure. What you're going to need to upgrade, what are the system requirements? You're going to need 1 gigahertz or faster with 2 or more cores, compatible 64-bit processor or system on a chip. You're going to need at least 4 gigabytes of RAM, a storage of 64 gigabytes or larger. You need to be able to have firmware and UEFI, secure boot capable, and you need to have the TPM Trusted Platform Module, TPM version 2.0. You have to have a compatible graphics card with DirectX 12 or later with WDDM 2.0 driver. Display must be high definition, 720p display that is greater than 9 inches diagonally and 8 bits per color channel. Internet, Windows 11 Home Edition requires internet connectivity and a Microsoft account that opens in a new tab to complete a setup on the first use. And yes, you can actually upgrade to Windows 11 without a TPM 2.0 if you really want to, but the hassle and risks are rarely worth it given how minor the difference between Windows 11 and 10 are. Um, I've actually upgraded on a device that you could not use Windows 11 on, and I did the TPM fix, and there was a couple other fixes I had to do, and I should do a video on that, but that's for another topic. Overall, while there is near endless number of minor changes influence everything from the appearance of menus to the location of specific settings, here are significant changes that are important to be familiar with. They have an overhauled visual design. Virtually every side of Windows 11 has been updated to fit in place with Microsoft's fluent design language, which emphasizes rounded corners, centered text, and bigger and more colorful icons. A large part of the interaction is more straightforward to explore by means of touchscreen, and it improves adapting when you connect or disconnect displays. What's more, um, is like applications like Notepad, they get a dark mode, so that's pretty cool. So we'll take a look at this overhaul visual design. and you'll see that, you know, you could personalize it. I personally like the dark theme. I'm just going to take a minute here and personalize what I have as far as Windows 11. You know, get that dark theme kicking. Ah, that looks beautiful. So also you have a new widgets menu, which can cause a sheet of updating widgets and news stories to fly out of the left-hand side of the screen, which is pretty cool. I don't have that set up. But they also have the new startup menu, which as well as now is being the focal point of, you know, how you can move it back and forth to the left-hand side. And you have the taskbar. You can move it to the left-hand side utilizing the taskbar menu setting. The Windows 11 Start button opens a simpler, more smooth-out start menu. Presently, there is a reasonable search bar over the two simple customizable sections. Also, while it's not yet functional yet, there will be native Android app support. Microsoft has guaranteed that Windows 11 will run Android applications locally on account of Intel's bridge technology. While this element didn't work at launch, Windows 11 users can at last evaluate Android applications in a restricted structure as Microsoft inches nearer to providing full-fledged local Android application support on Windows 11. Also, there are new tools for managing Windows desktops and Windows. So with that, we have Windows' new Snap Assist feature, which is awesome, and it makes organizing the windows on your desktop way simpler. Simply hover over your pointer over the maximize, minimize button in the top right corner of any app window, and Windows 11 will show you a menu of potential Windows layouts to choose from. Likewise, you can utilize the new task view button on the taskbar to coordinate and switch between various desktops as well, which can be a very helpful way to, you know, compartmentalize your work for fun. That's beautiful. You could lay that out nicely. I don't have many windows to work with right now because I'm just doing a simple update of Windows 11 because it had been a while since I had ran it. But I'm just gonna go and show you quickly all the different items, the personalization that you could do. I think I would want to use it. You know, I might want to use it, and I might think of using it in the future. But it's like some of my material is Windows 10, and some of my material is Windows 11. In my case, it's I don't know if I want to do the full upgrade because that would be like 11 environments that I'd have to upgrade to Windows 11 at a cost. But these are where your apps look. These are where your apps are pinned. Got your pinned apps, and then there's recommended stuff for your device. Pretty neat stuff. So I like the layout, but it's if it doesn't do much more than Windows 11, well, hey, thank you for watching. Be sure to comment, subscribe, and like the video, and have a great day.